Why aren't more people talking about AI doctors? AeroCOPDNet is quietly revolutionizing lung checkups. Here's how it works. COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, can be tough to catch early. AeroCOPDNet uses deep learning to listen to lung sounds and spot warning signs. It's like a super-powered stethoscope that never gets tired. It learns from thousands of breaths, picking up clues even experts might miss. For med students, that means faster, smarter screening and better clinical support. Imagine catching COPD earlier and giving patients a better shot at managing their health. AI in healthcare isn't just science fiction, it's happening now. AeroCOPDNet is leading the way. International Robotics and Automation Awards. Visit us, roboticsandautomation.org. Nominate now, contact us, contact our roboticsandautomation.org. Thank you. Stay tuned.